Hello, children. Today we are going to start with a new topic of social science from our book Looking Around, Chapter 24 Home and Abroad. Let's start with the mind mapping of this chapter. Kerala. What comes into your mind when you hear the word Kerala? Coconut trees. It is in the south of India. The main language used is Malayalam. The second city is Abu Dhabi. What comes into your mind when you hear the word Abu Dhabi? It is a desert. UAE, United Arab Emirates, it is the capital of UAE. Date fruit is very common in Abu Dhabi. Aims and objectives of the lesson: to know about Malu's family, to know about United Arab Emirates, to know about lifestyle of people in Abu Dhabi. In this chapter, it is the story of Chittappan and his family who are coming back after 5 years to their hometown. 5 years ago, Chittappan got a job in capital city of United Arab Emirates called Abu Dhabi and settled there. Malu and her appa went to the airport to receive them. When after the plane landed, the passengers had to wait for some time to collect their luggage. At last, Chittappan, Kunjama, and their two children could be seen coming out. Their flight took 2 hours from Abu Dhabi. They were not even tired because the plane flies very fast. Malu, Shanta and Shashi chatted all the way home from airport. Malu asked about the things they saw from the plane. Shanta said most of the time they saw only clouds, but before plane went high, they could see sand of different colors. White, brown, yellow, red and black. There was all dust around. The countries around Abu Dhabi are located in a desert area. There are no trees, only sands. And there are mountains of sand which are called sand dunes. Finally, they reached Malu's house, which was located in Kerala. Kunjama said, I just used to dream of thick greenery and cool water around our home in Kerala. Shanta and Shashi were surprised to see so many fruit trees of coconut, banana, papaya, betel nut, etc. In Abu Dhabi, only date palms can grow as it is the desert area. As they traveled back from Abu Dhabi to Kerala, Kunjama and Chittappan brought nice gifts and they also shared photographs. Everybody was busy watching photographs and Kunjama unpacked their bags. From there, she gave dates to everyone to eat. The dates were sweet and very soft. Shashi showed Malu some of the note and coins that were being used in Abu Dhabi. Money used in Abu Dhabi is called dirham. Arabic is the local language of UAE. Children, As you can see, Abu Dhabi is located to the west of India. In the evening, everybody sat at the veranda and enjoyed the breeze. They all were looking at the photographs and they pointed that in Abu Dhabi the buildings are very tall. Weather is very hot in Abu Dhabi. People wear loose clothes and keep themselves fully covered. This protects them from the scorching sun. Malu decided that she would make a project report about Abu Dhabi for her class presentation. Let's revise some of the new terms that we have learned in this chapter. Airport, a place where an aeroplane lands and takes off. Desert, a vast barren land of sand with less vegetation and rainfall. Sand dunes, the mountains of sand in desert area are called sand dunes. Chitappan, father's younger brother in Malayalam is called Chitappan. Kunjama, father's younger brother's wife in Malayalam is called Kunjama. Thank you, and I hope the concept is clear to you.